Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Short and dictation from sports words. In the realm of sports, few competitions evoke the fervor and passion witnessed in a game of cricket. Full stop. With its roots tracing back to the 16th century, this beloved sport has evolved into a global phenomenon, captivating the hearts of millions across continents. Full stop. Cricket is more than just a game, it is cultural spectacle that unites nations, transcending boundaries and fostering camaraderie among fans worldwide. Full stop. From the iconic venues Lord's Cricket Ground in England to the historic Melbourne Cricket Ground in Australia, the stage is set for epic battles that showcase the pinnacle of sporting excellence. Full stop. The allure of cricket lies not only in the thrilling displays of athleticism but also in the rich tapestry of tradition and heritage that accompanies each match. Full stop. Whether it is the prestigious Ashes series between England and Australia or the fiercely contested India-Pakistan rivalry, cricket holds a special place in the hearts of millions, fueling national pride and stirring emotions like no other sport. Full stop. At the heart of cricket's allure are its iconic players, whose exploits on the field have immortalized them as the legends of the game. Full stop. From the graceful elegance of Sir Don Bradman to the explosive brilliance of Sachin Tendulkar and Shahid Afridi, these cricketing icons have inspired generations with their skill, determination, and sportsmanship. Full stop. Beyond the glitz and glamour of international cricket lies the grassroots, where aspiring cricketers hone their craft and dream of representing their countries on the world stage. Full stop. Cricket academies dot the landscape of cricket playing nations, nurturing young talent and instilling in them the values of discipline, teamwork and perseverance. Full stop. The journey from the local leagues to the international arena is fraught with challenges, but for those who dare to dream, the rewards are immeasurable. Full stop. In recent years, cricket has witnessed a revolution in form of T20 cricket, a fast-paced and high-octane format that has redefined the sports and attracted a new generation of fans. Full stop. Leagues such as, Pakistan Super League, the Indian Premier League, Big Bash League and Caribbean Premier League (CPL) have become global phenomena, showcasing the best talent from around the world and providing a platform for players to showcase their skills on a grand stage. Full stop. The rise of T20 cricket has not only revolutionized the game but also transformed the economics of cricket, turning players into millionaires overnight and reshaping the landscape of the sport. Full stop. Yet, amid the glitz and glamour of modern cricket, the essence of the game remains unchanged. The thrill of a perfectly timed cover drive, the ecstasy of a wicket keeping slash wicket taking delivery, and the camaraderie shared between teammates on the field. Full stop. As cricket continues to evolve and adapt to the changing times, one thing remains certain: its enduring appeal as a sport that transcends borders, cultures and generations, uniting people in a shared love for the game. full stop.